It's time for the 59th Annual Gem and Mineral Show at the Allen County Fairgrounds, October 16th through 18th, the only gem show that comes to Fort Wayne. Sponsored by the Three Rivers Gem and Mineral Society of Fort Wayne, dealers from across the country will bring their gems, mineral, and fossil pieces, from museum quality to educational use and everything in between. Gemstones for home decor, jewelry, and meditation. Hobbyists, crafters, and collectors come by too and find the perfect gemstone for a unique creation. Jewelers will be on site, buy loose stones at the show, and they can be made into a one-of-a-kind piece of jewelry. Watch local lapidary artists cutting and polishing stones and learn a new hobby for yourself. Look for a National Fossil Day display from Purdue Fort Wayne. Food trucks will be available for lunch on Saturday. The show runs Friday and Saturday 10 to 6 and Sunday 10 to 5. Tickets are only $5. The Gem and Mineral Show, sponsored by the Three Rivers Gem and Mineral Society at the Allen County Fairgrounds.